Discover exercises that can transform your sex life and enhance your performance in advanced age. If you are a man in advanced age and realize that your virility is no longer the same, know that there are specific exercises capable of restoring not only size, but also the rigidity and power of your penis. Get ready to find out how these exercises can completely change your sex life and return control over your virility. The first step in recovering sexual vigor in advanced age is to strengthen a hidden but extremely powerful muscle, the provocative muscle. This muscle is responsible for controlling erection and ejaculatory power. Over the years, this muscle tends to weaken, resulting in weaker erections and less intense sex. However, few know that this weakening can be reversed simply without the need for remedies or invasive surgeries. Exercise consists of training the contraction and relaxation of this specific muscle. To identify it during urination, try to stop urine flow and feel a tightening in the pelvic region. This is the provocative muscle. By practicing contractions daily of this muscle, as if holding something inside for 5 seconds and then relaxing, you can strengthen the erections, extend their duration, and even obtain light gains by improving blood circulation in the region. Although the results are not instantaneous, men disciplined in this exercise report impressive changes in a few weeks. Diaphragmatic breathing is an essential practice for improving male sexual performance, especially at advanced age. Many men are unaware of the direct impact of breathing on erections and sexual health in general. Over the years, it is common for breathing to become more superficial, resulting in a reduction in blood oxygenation. This lack of oxygen can directly impair erectile capacity and compromise the quality of erection. Through a simple exercise, deep diaphragmatic breathing, it is possible to reverse this picture and rescue the power that seemed lost. The technique consists of sitting comfortably, placing one hand over the abdomen and another on the chest. Then, inhale deeply through the nose, allowing the lungs to completely fill up until the belly expands without raising the chest. Hold the air for 4 seconds and slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this process for at least 5 minutes, 3 times a day. The benefits of this practice are remarkable. There is a significant increase in blood circulation to the genitals, resulting in more energy and a significant improvement in the erectile response. It is surprising as something as simple as correcting the way of breathing can have such a significant impact on a man's sex life. By practicing diaphragmatic breathing in a consistent and disciplined way, it is possible to notice substantial differences not only in erection, but also in general well-being and confidence during intimacy. The information contained in this Part 03 was designed based on recent studies on the relationship between body posture and male sexual performance. They are expected to provide valuable insights on how small adjustments in the way they sit, walk, or sleep can directly impact male intimate health. Adopting simple practices, such as the pelvic stretching mentioned above, may be the differential between facing sexual difficulties arising from advanced age or enjoying a full and satisfactory sex life. Over the years, lack of flexibility in the pelvic region can become an obstacle to male sexual health. Rigidity in the muscles around the genital organ can impair blood circulation and compromise intimate performance, resulting in increasingly weak erections and a gradual decrease in size. However, there is a little-known technique that can reverse this process simply: butterfly stretching. To perform this stretch, lie on the floor and add the soles of your feet, leaving your knees pointed to the sides. Then gently press your knees toward the floor in a controlled manner, feeling stretching in the groin and pelvic region. Keep this position for 30 seconds and then relax. Repeat this exercise 3 times a day for positive results. Butterfly stretching is able to release the accumulated tension in the muscles of the pelvic region, expand the blood vessels around the genital organ, and significantly improve oxygenation of erectile. Many men who incorporate this exercise into their routine notice an improvement in erections and even a slight increase in penis size, thanks to the facilitation of blood flow in the region. Given this simple practice that promotes natural and effective results, it is important to reflect on how small changes can positively impact male sexual health. Gelking, an old method for increasing blood flow and strengthening erectile tissues among the ancestral practices to enhance male sexual health. Gelking stands out, a proven method that promotes increased blood flow in the penile region and strengthens the tissues responsible for erection. Although many men are unaware of this technique, it is recognized for its positive impact on virility and sexual performance. To correctly run gelking, it is essential to follow some fundamental steps. First, heat the region by applying a warm towel to the penis for a few minutes. This procedure relaxes tissues and improves local circulation, preparing the organ for exercise. Then apply an oil or lubricant to avoid friction and start compression movement, with the hand-shaped hand joining thumb and indicator, positioning it at the base of the penis, and performs a firm compression but without pain, leading it to the tip of the limb. The pressure should be maintained for approximately 3 to 5 seconds and repeated about 20 times per session. The benefits of gelking go beyond simply improvement of stiffness. By stimulating blood flow, it expanding vessels and strengthening the structure of erectile tissues over time. This exercise can result in resistance, thickness, and penis length gains. By combining this practice with other exercises intended for male sexual health mentioned above, it is possible to enhance the results quickly. It is impressive as a method, as old as Gelkin can offer effective solutions to contemporary issues related to male sexual performance. By adopting it consistently and properly, it is possible to perceive significant changes that impact not only man's intimate life, but also his self-esteem and general well-being. Deep squat, strengthening the leg muscles to boost blood circulation. Deep squat is a powerful exercise that goes beyond strengthening the leg muscles. At advanced age, it is common to notice a drop in muscle strength and resistance, which can directly impact blood circulation and, consequently, on male sexual health. When performing deep squats, you not only work the thighs and buttocks muscles, but also activates the production of testosterone, an essential hormone for male libido. This exercise significantly improves pelvic circulation, ensuring that blood flow comes effectively to the penis during erection. To properly perform deep squats, stand up with your feet on the width of your shoulders. Keep your spine straight and slowly down to the knees until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then return to the starting position. It is recommended to make 3 series of 12 repetitions each. This simple movement has a devastating effect on improving male sexual power, increasing not only the rigidity and duration of erections, but also improving sensitivity during the intimate act. The benefits are quickly noticeable, providing a more enjoyable and satisfactory experience for you and your partner. It does not underestimate the power of deep squats in the care of your sexual health. By including this exercise in your daily routine consistently, you will be investing not only in your intimate performance, but also in your quality of life as a whole. Core strengthening, composed of abdominal and lumbar muscles, is essential for unforgettable sexual performance in advanced age. Many men underestimate the importance of core by seeking improvements in their intimate life, but the abdominal region plays a crucial role in supporting sexual power. By strengthening the core, men can get benefits that go beyond aesthetics and overall health, directly impacting the firmness of erections and resistance during the sexual act. Core muscle strength is crucial to ensure stability and power during the intimate act. Men with weak muscles in this region tend to have a compromised blood circulation, resulting in less rigid and lasting erections. The definitive exercise to strengthen the core is the abdominal board. When performing the abdominal board correctly, you not only work the deep muscles of the abdomen, but significantly improves blood flow to the pelvic region. This not only stabilizes your posture during sex, but also ensures that circulation is not compromised, resulting in firm and lasting erection. Through the abdominal board, which consists of supporting the forearms on the floor and raising the body aligned as a board for 30 seconds to a minute. 3 times a day, it is possible to observe a substantial improvement in resistance during sex and the quality of erection. Men who prioritize core strengthening not only experience remarkable gains in terms of sexual performance, but also benefit from greater self-confidence and presence during intimacy. Do not underestimate the power of core in the enhancement of your virility. By investing in this often neglected aspect, you can achieve a level of control over your sexual life that once seemed unattainable. Over the years, lack of flexibility and mobility in the pelvic region can significantly impact male sexual health. Rigidity in the muscles around the genital organ can generate compression in the blood vessels and make it difficult for blood to flow to healthy erections. To combat this problem, it is essential to adopt the pelvic rotation exercise. This simple exercise consists of lying on your back on a firm surface, bend your knees and keep your feet resting on the floor, then slowly rotate the hips to one side, keeping your shoulders in place until you feel a slight stretching in the pelvic region. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement to the other side. Practice this technique daily to improve muscle flexibility around the genital organ, release accumulated tensions, and promote more efficient blood circulation during erection. Small changes like this can have a significant impact on the quality of your sex life. Over the years, the lack of flexibility in the pelvic region can become an obstacle to male sexual health. Rigidity in the muscles around the genital organ can cause compression in blood vessels, reducing blood flow and impairing the quality of erection. To overcome this problem and promote better blood circulation in the genital region, it is essential to incorporate the pelvis rotation exercise into its routine. This exercise consists of lying comfortably on your back on a flat surface, flexing your knees and keeping your feet resting on the floor. Then slowly rotate the hips to one side, keeping your shoulders fixed in place until you feel a smooth stretch in the pelvic region. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement to the other side. Practice this technique regularly to improve muscle flexibility around the genital organ, relieve any accumulated tension, and optimize blood circulation during erection. Small changes like this can have a significant impact on the quality of your sex life and contribute to a more satisfactory intimate experience. After discovering all these powerful exercises that can transform your sex life into advanced age, it's time to take the next step and incorporate them into your daily routine. By betting on these simple and effective practices, You will be investing in your intimate well-being and self. Remember that consistency is key to seeing significant results. Set aside time on your day to perform the exercises with dedication and discipline, maintaining focus on improving your sexual health. By adopting this new lifestyle, you will be on the way to become a more confident, powerful, and fulfilled man. Transformation begins with a simple step, and every effort dedicated to taking care of your virility will positively reflect on all areas of your life. No longer expect to recover control over your sexual power and surprise yourself and your partner with exceptional performance. Take control of your sexual health today and feel the difference in every aspect of your intimate life. Bet on the right exercises to transform your intimate life. Try a natural and effective approach. Be ahead of care for your sexual health. The decision to improve is in your hands. Be part of the transformation.